The Pocophone F1 was released in 2018, but it still holds up in 2022 standards. Let me explain this video. The Xiaomi Pocophone was a revolutionary smartphone when it was released back in 2018, because no other smartphone companies are able to give such a performance and camera for just 20,999 rupees. But today things have changed. Smartphones have evolved drastically over the last 4 years. So now, how does the Pocophone F1 stand? First of all, let's talk about the camera. The camera is still a huge selling point of this device. Even though the Pocophone has a single 12 megapixel Sony IMX sensor, this can capture 4K 60 frames per second video, which no other smartphones under this price point can able to achieve. And also, the 4K videos captured by this smartphone are amazing, especially with the dual pixel autofocus. The autofocus on the smartphone is next level, and also the photos come out great. After several MIUI upgrades, the camera quality has become better, much better than the Google camera mode could able to do, and the performance is still unchanged. The Snapdragon 845 is much better than some mid-range chips like MediaTek Dimensity 700 and Snapdragon 778, etc. Even though the CPU performance is somewhat similar, the GPU performance and the camera performance are much better with Snapdragon 800 series chipset. Finally, the only problem I see with this device is that Xiaomi software isn't that great, and also the new updates has caused a lot of bugs in the system. If you are okay with that and the outdated design and the display, then the Xiaomi Pocophone is still a good choice to be used as a primary phone or even as a secondary phone if you own a better phone. So that's our video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next one.